When the question about preparing for entrance exams arose, I started to look for a great teacher of the Ukrainian language and literature. I had been researching a long time, but I didn't succeed. Once I visited a museum and there I met an interesting employee. It was a woman named Maria Avdiyenko. I found out that she was a teacher of the Ukrainian language and literature. While we were talking, I realized that she was the person I had been looking for all the time. She was Ukrainian publisher, ethnographer, poet, translator, public figure, members of the National Union of Ethnographers of Ukraine, laureate of the Literary Prize of Grisha Chuprinki. She published a collection of her poems. One of them gave to me as a gift. During our lessons, we became close friends. Those lessons were very exciting. I always listened to an amazing story of her life with a great interest. I realized her life was very complicated and full of difficulties. Maria was engaged in the revolution for independence of Ukraine. She devoted a part of her life to the struggle for our country's independence. Her stories were fantastic and impressed me much. Sometimes felt like I was there too. Her apartment was a headquarters for the leaders of the revolution. She stored all the printed materials and was one of the organizers of demonstrations. I am happy that such a person appeared in my life and changed my mind. When I met her, I felt grateful for my birth independent Ukraine, and I know how much effort were made to gain our liberty. I am proud to be a part of this nation, and I believe the best times for Ukraine are coming.